Welcome back to the Events of MAPublisher Getting Started tutorial video series. Today's video will go over how to import data to MAPublisher. As you can see here, I have opened up Adobe Illustrator, and to get started, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to set my page orientation to landscape because that works best with the file I am using today, but feel free to play around with these settings here depending on what you are importing. And then you're going to click on Create. Here we have our blank document. As you can see on the right, our Layers tab, which will fill up as you add data. To import a single data file, you are going to select this Import button in the top left of the Import/Export section of your MAPublisher toolbar. Just looks like a box with a plus sign. So I'll click on that, and you may see it open like this or like this. Either one is fine. This is the simple version. I'll leave it like that for now. First thing you're going to look at is the format. So from this drop-down menu, you can see all the different formats that you can import into MAPublisher. AutoCAD drawings, shape files, JSON files, Google Earth, KML, KMZ files, images, also anything from the ArcGIS web service, which is very popular, databases. There are lots of options. When you select a format, only the files with that format will come up as an option to import. So you can choose the one that corresponds with what you're going to be importing, or you can select Auto Detect Format, which will allow you to look through all of your files if you aren't sure which format the one you're importing is. But today I know I will be importing a MIF file, so I will select that, and then I will select Browse. In this case, the file I am importing is in the MAPublisher tutorial data file. So I'm going to select World to open. You can see a green check mark here, which confirms that your data has been loaded successfully. You can also check the Advanced section, which will include information about the coordinate system if you ever wanted to edit that. But in this case, everything looks good, and so I'm just going to press OK. And there you have it. You can see the file has imported. It's over here in the Layers section, and now you can get to work on editing your file. There is also another option for importing data, which is the multiple data import. So I'll just go over how to use that. I'm going to make a new document. To use the multiple data import function, the button is right next to the single data import function, just up here in the top left of the MAPublisher toolbar. I will click on that. To start adding data, the first thing you're going to want to do is press this green button here. And this same Add Data window will pop up with the same format list. I'm still going to keep with the MIF because I'm going to keep importing MIF files right now. I'm going to press Browse. This will again open the tutorial data window with all the MIF files that I could choose to import. I'm going to select the FSA Toronto file and Toronto Streets. And I will just press Open. And OK. And there you will see the two files I've selected are here, the FSA Toronto and the Toronto Streets. So you can see the number of features each one has, and you can also see the coordinate system. If they do have different coordinate systems, you can match them up here in the Destination Map View section. They are the same coordinate system, so I'm just going to press OK. And there you can see the two layers here on the right in the Layers tab. We have the Toronto Streets line and FSA Toronto area, which I've opened up, and you can see them both here in this document. And that's all for importing data. Happy mapping! Thanks for watching!